Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the party time TikTok dance. Let's go. This is an easy and short TikTok dance, but I'm still gonna break it down to make it as easy as possible for you guys. Alright, so let me show you a quick preview of the first minute section. It goes like this. Da da da, A and A, da da da, and A and A. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is take your right leg and go cross over like this. Alright, just show it from the side as well. I go front, cross over. Alright? So as soon as I've done that, I want to bring it back to the back. Okay? So let me just show it from the side again. I go here and back. Okay? So once I've done whoom, whoom, I want to go down like this. Okay? So notice how my left leg is going. Boom. Okay? I'm basically moving on my toes, flicking my heel in like that, right? So if I just do the left leg, it's gonna look like this. Boom, that's what you're doing, okay? Now with the right leg as well, you're gonna do place, okay? And then you just wanna go and boom. Let me explain what I just did there. I'm doing heel toe, and what I mean by that, I wanna switch between my heel and my toes, all right? And then at the same time, I also want to move it to the side. Now, if you were to just isolate it like to one leg at a time, you will basically doing, so the right leg is doing boom, place it, and then you want to go on your toes, put your heel out to the side, and then on your heel, put your toes out to the side. Okay, that's basically what you're doing with your right leg. The left leg is doing the opposite. So the left leg is doing this, and then this, and then this. Okay, so at the same time, when you want to combine it, it's going to go like this. Whoop, and then like this. Whoop, and then opposite. Whoop. Now, when you normally do it, you don't actually do, lift it up like that, right? You normally just do flat foot, but I'm just showing you how you need to move it, all right? Even though you're doing it flat foot. So just take a moment and then think about what you're actually doing. Switching, okay, boom. Take it slow, and then once you can do it, you can speed up. All right? Then just show it from the side as well. So I'm going and over and back, out, in, out. All right, so once you can do it to this side, you want to repeat the same to the other side. All right? So let me just demonstrate here. So we've done this, whoop, 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 whoop. Now from here, what you want to do is kick your left, boom, cross over, kick, back, and then out, in, out. Okay, so when I do it all together, it's gonna look like this. Kick, over, kick, back, out, in, out. Now let's just kick, over, kick, back, out, and out. All right, time to practice. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go kick, over, kick, back, boom, boom, kick, over, kick, back, boom, boom. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, over, kick, back, out, in, out, and out. Kick, over, kick, back, out, in, out. Now, as for the timing, the lyrics are very hard to understand, so I'm just gonna try my best to hum the song, all right? It goes something like this. Na 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 na. Okay, so let's just try and practice like that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go na 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 na, and so on. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go na 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 na. Na na and na 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 na. All right, moving on to minute section 2, which is actually super easy. Just gonna show a quick preview here. It goes like this: A, 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 A. All right, let me break that down for you. So your arms are just gonna go A, super easy. and the legs are gonna go boom, 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 boom. Now you can either go on your heels, you know, flicking your toes out like that, or you can go the opposite and flick your on your toes, flick your heel in. All right, up to you. Just move your feet, all right, while you're doing this. Hey, hey, hey. Now you wanna do 4 of those. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's just try and practice that. It's super easy. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, let's do mini section 1 and 2. So let me just do a quick recap here from the tip to top. It goes da 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 da, boom and boom and da 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 and boom and boom. And the new part da 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 da. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm just gonna sing da 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 and da 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 na 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 na. All right, let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, and da na 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 and na 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 and na 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 and na na na. Now let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and na 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 and na na and na and na 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 na. Alright guys, feel free to practice at your own pace if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 3. Alright, let's start with a preview. Preview goes like this. Ma, 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 ma. Alright, let me break it down for you. So this move right here, what you want to do, if we just focus on the right leg first, basically what you're doing, if I'm exaggerating, let me just support here. What you're doing is going up on your toes and then flicking your heel out slightly to the side, okay? So when I do it to the front here, it's gonna look like this. Boom. Just a small lift to the side, okay? Now the other leg, the left leg, is just saying step to the back, okay? So when from here, the left is just saying step back, okay? Now you just want to repeat the same, just to the opposite side. So once you've done this, you want to repeat it and go, this right leg is just stepping back, but this left leg is doing boom. All right, just like we did with the right leg, now it's just the left leg, okay? So when I do it all together, it's gonna look like this. Boom, boom, yeah? Can be very subtle, right? You don't need to exaggerate it. And just go, A, A, and that's basically how the dance is. So what you wanna do, boom, boom, and then you wanna do one more, boom. Let me show you to the side as well. So I'm going boom, boom, boom. All right. Now once you can do that, just add 3 more steps. All right. So we starting with the starting with the right like this, and then left, and then right, and then once you're here, you want to do like a small tiny break before you continue and go then left, right, left. All right. So when I do it all together, it's gonna look like this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, at the end you just want to gap, okay? Let me show you from the side as well. What you want to do is go boom, 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 and then boom, boom, boom. Now timing wise, it's 5 and 6, tiny break, 7 and 8, okay? So let me just show you with the counts, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, okay? Let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go 5 and 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright guys, that's basically the main part. I think the bit that comes after is sort of like a freestyle. People do it differently. Alright, so let's just recap the full dance, what we've done so far. So in section 1, 2, and 3. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so quick run through, it goes kick, over, kick, back, out, in, out, and then kick, over, kick, back, out, in, out. Now, A, 2, 3, 4. Now, new part, tap, 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 back. Now, as for the timing, it goes something like this. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go na na na. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and na 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 na, and na 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 and na 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 and na na and na. Now, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and na 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 and na 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 and na 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 and na 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 and na 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 na. Alright guys, feel free to practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna show you the last bit that the creator made and also a different version of that. So if you want to add the ba 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 ba, you can add this way and then way. Okay? So the way I do it is I prep by swinging my right leg backwards here, and then I'm gonna swing it to the front and sort of take a small jump. Okay, and then I do the opposite. So when I'm here in the front, I want to prep my left and go to the front, then jump to the back. Okay, so when I do it to the front here, I'm doing this. And boom, and boom. Now another version that I've seen, especially the ladies do, is just go pull to the front and take a step, and then take a step back and push. And then you go down, and then you just do this hip thing. That's very popular at the moment. Alright, so let me show you the full dance with the freestyle part as well, just the last version I showed you. Alright, so it goes like this. Na 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 na. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.